goes on for a whole minute.
Yeah.
Todd, look at me just for a second.
Oh.
Don't say anything bad.
Yeah.
Not a word.
What's that?
Silence. Can you hear him? Second.
That's a door.
The door being open.
No. A door what now?
When they open the siren door, we get an alert. We know the
Oh,
contractor's
really?
out there.
Clayton, yeah, Clayton's out there too.
Yeah, I'm sure he is.
Well,
Documenting all the
we
ones that
got him
don't
looking
work.
at
Yeah.
I sent
we
you
got him
out
looking
there.
at some of the old ones.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Cancel.
Right here. How long do I hold it?
Just
Ready,
a
Kath?
second.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's
Okay.
go. And now the next two that we're going to do is the attack and attack all.
Okay. So when do I do that?
I'll let you know.
All right.
This is on video, so watch you.
Attack and attack all.
I go by my clock,
No, you
not
do.
that clock.
I know you do.
Okay, get ready to push those two buttons.
Okay.
Go ahead. And then in 1 minute we'll hit cancel.
Okay. Again, those two.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
As I said, when we get the rest of it done, we'll be able to come down to your office. You can do this with an iPad.
Yeah. Well, that's great.
You'll be the first to do that too. That'll be a neat story. We'll be able to show how we can do it from anywhere in the county
Yeah.
Right.
with the software. We won't have to be sitting in this office or at the dispatch center.
Oh, you can do it from anywhere?
The
It
iPad,
will be,
when we
yeah.
get them hooked up to the iPad. Yeah.
Oh.
So is anything showing up on here, or should it, or?
No, this
Yeah.
is all good news.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, there's
Just-
nothing that's right.
This is
Just
all
that
good
one.
news.
Just that one red circle.
That was there
Right.
earlier today. This
Okay.
is all good news.
All right.
I'll call you back later. Okay, you can cancel.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yep. There we go. And that is the
That
test.
was
That's
it.
it.
That is a wrap.
Wow.
It's not that
All right. Hey,
complicated.
Kathy, get a picture of this.